Yeah, so I'm back with you tonight. I'm out checking some more pine marten sets that I have, and ended up getting a pine marten in one of my live cages here, so you can see that. Yeah, so I got this pine marten here in this cage, and I can't see, but over there I've got another marten set, and got a pine marten in it too. So looks like I got me two pine marten for the night so far. This is my first set tonight checking, so I've got I think 8 or 9 more to check tonight. So I'm gonna get this thing dispatched and get on up the road and get my other traps checked and go from there. Yeah, he's a feisty critter. I'll talk to everybody later.